Today we will be learning how to play Twinkle Twinkle Star on the xylophone. So first I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then you do it on your own, and then I'll do it again. Got it? So first step. Okay, now I'm going to do it with you, okay? Now you're going to do it. Okay, next step. So now I'll do it in slow motion. Okay, now you have to do it. Next step, so I'm going to do it, so step, add another step, and add another step. So your turn. Got it? Next step. Okay, now do it slowly. Now it's your turn. Alright, now we're all done. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel. Remember, my channel is the drawing channel, and watch out for my videos. Thank you.